The Cinegears Ghost-Eye Extra Large Panel Antenna uses an extremely powerful beam to transmit your signal from any Cinegears Ghost-Eye wireless video transmitter. The panel antenna is working within the 5G frequency band and is optimized for 5 GHz wireless frequency. It can be used for transmitting and reviving your signal. The Cinegears panel antenna will provide up to 3 times your range and reduce interference with a directional transmission signal. The Ghost-Eye Extra Large Panel Antenna includes one 5G panel antenna, one connection adapter, 5 connection cables, 3 mounting screws. The Ghost-Eye Extra Large Panel Antenna comes with a universal mounting point to attach to any light stand. Five high-quality, braided, and exceedingly durable cables are included and to be used to connect to your Cinegears Ghost-Eye wireless video receiver.
Hi, I'm Rob Atatui, and I recently directed the movie Stand in Winnipeg, Canada. You know, we had one time when we were filming in the legislative building, and it was a long, complex shot. And once I got back to the monitors, my sound team were complaining that they weren't going to be able to get sound reception from that distance. And I thought, oh, that's going to blow my video as well, obviously. But sure enough, everyone looked over. Video monitors were clear as day, and our sound team as well, as they were watching our monitors. It's that kind of technology that allows us to take a leap forward in the type of cinema we can do.
Every now and again there's a little bit of a dropout from significant distances and through a lot of walls.
The video village is quite far away. We got a rock solid signal. We're on the set of Strike the movie, the musical. We're enjoying them.